do an oil change on this 1998 Nissan PathFinder. So the oil filter is located basically here, but straight down underneath. In order to get to it, you got to remove this plate here. So it's done with a 10 millimeter. And there's the filter right there. For draining the oil, the plug is right there. 14 millimeter. It's all done draining, just put the plug back in. All right, now to take that oil filter off. All right, they didn't crank it down too bad, so it's just hand tight, which is nice. Put it back on the same way too. Okay, now I'm just gonna install this new one right where I took that other one off. What I like to do too is get a little oil on my finger and then just lube up that gasket just a little bit. Well, I got just over about 3.5 in there. Let's take a look at the dipstick, see what it tells us. Actually looking full.